Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to earn money on crypto.com. So to get started with that, there are many ways and multiple ways at which you can earn on crypto.com. So the first method is to earn through the flexible and fixed term. So to do this, you have to go to the crypto earn section in the app, then deposit your crypto. For example, you can deposit BTC, HEAT or USDT, then choose flexible, or which is between 1 to 3 months terms to earn interest, which is up to 6 to 12% APY descending depending on the coin and stake CRO. Then the other method is you can simply stake, which is crypto stake. So to do this, you have to stake crypto coin, for example the CRO, to earn staking reward, so which is higher stake and higher benefit. So the interest boost, the better for your Visa card pack. Then some other token is also offered by staking reward. Then also you can also earn using the Visa card cashback. So to do this, you can apply for this method. Just go to your crypto.com app, then locate the Visa card, use it for daily purchases, and can also earn up to 1% to 5% cashback in CRO on every spending. And also additional pack, which is the Spotify, Netflix, or rebate or launch access. Also, you can also earn through the crypto pay reward. So today is use the crypto pay reward to make payments with crypto. You can also earn cashback in the CRO for eligible transaction. You can also earn through the trading and spot profit. So this is just trade cryptocurrency in the crypto.com, then exchange below. You can buy low or sell high to make profit, and watch for price alert and trade bought before or for a strategy help. You can also earn money through the referral and bonuses. You can invite friends using your referral link. You can also earn up to $50 in CRO per successful referral, both on your friends' benefit. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section if the videos find it helpful. Thanks.